Yep. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Good evening. If you remember what we have studied in last class, how many of you remember Ohm's law? Yes, Aditya. Everyone remember Ohm's law, right? Hannah, simple
Yes.
form. Okay, very good, right? So see, what we will be covering today, right? So I had not planned to teach these things, but since we have been studying electricity, okay, so I thought of completing the whole concept, okay, right? Instead of just giving a glimpse of the Ohm's law, okay, we will be studying the whole concept, okay, right? So now, have you ever thought, right, about how, now think about it. I hope all of you know what is wiring, yes or no, right? How many of you know what is wiring? Everyone? Priya knows? Everyone? Tell me. Hannah? Right, Sinchana? Very good. What is wiring? When you talk about all the all the devices in your home, Hannah? All the devices in your home. For example, when you talk about your bulb or your fan, right? Or your fridge, your AC, Hannah? Right? Everything is connected with switch. Yes or no? Right? So can I say that, okay, sir, whatever is right in our home, whatever we use is actually connected with a circuit. Yes or no? Anna, right? It's connected with a circuit. Agreed? Tell me. And hi, Anna. Everything is connected with a circuit. So
Yes, sir.
let us take a small circuit, right? Very small circuit. Anna, like a small circuit in which we have necessary devices, right? So we know that we can make a circuit with wires and a battery, right? Okay. Now, whenever we talk about potential, potential is what? Tell me. Battery is what? It is a source. It is a driving force. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will make a battery like this. So suppose this is a battery. This is a battery. Okay. Right. Now, suppose in your home, we have what? Tube light, we have fan, we have AC, we have fridge. Now, think about it. When you talk about resistance, right? Resistance is offered by, right? Whenever we talk about resistance is offered by what? Tell me. Think
Sir,
about it.
size and shape.
No. Right, size and set understood. Resistance is offered by devices or wire. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Right? For example, when you're talking about bulb, so resistance will be offered by bulb, right? Or when you talk about fan, the resistance will be offered by the fan or AC or your fridge, right? Because they are the devices, yes. Okay, so I can say that all the devices have some resistance. Okay, every device, whatever device you take, right? Even the wire have some resistance, but what we do is we ignore the resistance of wire, right, in our calculations. Okay, right? Normally, whenever we solve problems, right, we consider, okay, right, we consider the resistance, right? Okay, we consider resistance of the devices usually, right? Now, if try to understand this. When you talk about the resistance is what? It is a property of conductor, property of a device, right? So let us assume that we have a wire, we have bulb over here. So bulb will have some resistance, yes or no? So I will assume, right, that the resistance offered by the bulb, right? So this represents resistance. Is suppose R1. Okay, what is this? R1. R1 is what? R1 is the value of resistance, right? Offered by what? Bulb,
Bulbs.
right? Yes or no? Okay, right? This is suppose the resistance offered by the fan, R2, right? R2 is resistance offered by the fan. Okay, right? Think about it. I'll just take bulb and fan, right? This is the resistance offered by bulb and fan. Okay. Think about it. Everyone is getting this? समझ में आ रहा है कुछ कुछ?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. है ना? Because see, you cannot represent bulb and fan with the figures, right? Because at the end of the day, what we need to find? We need to find what is the potential voltage between them and what is current between them. How many of you have seen stabilizer? Anyone have seen any stabilizer? You know what is stabilizer?
Sir, I have seen.
Yes,
Right?
sir. I have seen in ACs.
है ना? So there is something called stabilizer. है ना? I don't know if you have seen this because now to every devices have inbuilt stabilizer, right? But if you talk about 5 or 10 years ago, na, there'll be a box, right? A stabilizer box, okay, which kind of
Sir, I
stabilize the
have that in my
voltage.
home. Sir, I have that in my home, sir.
है ना? Right? So that is the thing, है ना? Because think about it. Suppose Priya eats three chapatis. Suppose, right? Okay. Suppose Priya eats 3 chapatis. है ना? If I give Priya 10 chapati, can she eat?
No,
Right?
sir.
Or if I give Priya 1 chapati, right? Will be satisfied? Will she be satisfied?
No, sir.
Right?
She wants more.
Yes. So in the same way, whenever you talk about fan or any devices, है ना? Any devices, it operates. Whenever you talk about operation, it works with a fixed voltage, है ना? Fixed voltage limit, fixed voltage. See, nowadays it doesn't happen over here, but when you talk about villages, है ना? Sometimes you can see that the bulb will flicker, right? There's a change in voltage. Have anyone observed that? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right? Or when you,
sir.
or when you suppose in your home, right? Not in township, okay? In village, right? Because nowadays, what happened? Now the things are very, right, very good. Everything is stabilized automatically. But in villages still, right? If you start something, suppose heater, है ना? Right? Then the tube light will dim. है ना? Anyone have observed that kind of phenomena? Anyone?
Repeat again.
So suppose you are in a home, right? है
Sir,
ना?
now
Right?
also in my home, when I on my TV once, the bulb get off and on for a second, very little.
Fluctuate, है ना? It will fluctuate, right? For a momentary, it will fluctuate, है ना? Right? Yes. Why? Because think about it now. When you talk about electricity, everything is like energy. Simple. If you think about it, everything is like energy, है ना? So we have two things: voltage and current. Okay. And we assume current. Okay. Current is flow of charge, right? So we assume current as what? Tell me, a pipe, a water flowing in a pipe. Yes or no? Assume current as
Yes,
water.
sir.
Yes or no?
The
That is
water will be current.
right. Yes, water flow, right? The flowing water will be current, right? So we always keep this in mind, है ना? Sorry, guys, this one note got hanged. Okay. So whenever we discuss the concept of current, we keep, right, the analogous of the energy of, tell me, water, है ना? Right? Because it is easy to understand. Okay. Now,
There are so many things in it.
yes. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Right. Yes.
Sir, I think N is for Nabil.
What?
I think that N is for Nabil.
No, no, no.
That is for note.
I
Okay.
know.
So think about it, right? Now just imagine, okay, just imagine. Suppose you have only one pipe. Suppose you have only one pipe, right? Think about it, right? No, you have only one pipe. Here.
Potential difference, sir.
Yeah, here.
Excuse me, sir.
Right? So, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So suppose imagine this circuit, right, as a pipe. No, think about it, right? This is like a pipe. Okay, right? This is like a pipe, right? So it is one pipe, one circuit, clear hai na? Right? Now think about it. Suppose, right? Suppose it is like this. Everyone, just pay attention. Just pay attention. Okay, I'll just draw it like this. Just started this one note now, so it is still hanging. Just give me a minute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nabil?
Sir, below the fixed voltage, sir, what have you written, sir?
Current, right?
Okay, sir.
It is still hanging. Yeah, now it is fine. Chalo. So yeah, try to understand this. I'm giving you an analogus of pipe. Okay, because it is easier to visualize, right? Now think about it. Think about it. Suppose I'm having circuit. Circuit means pipe, right? Pipe. So we have many pipes connected with each other, right? Like this. So here I'm having like two pipes connected with each other, two different pipes connected with each other. Okay, right? Now think about it, everyone. Suppose 10 liter of water, 10 liter water, right, is flowing inside this pipe. Everyone think about it. 10 liter of water per, right, per minute, suppose. Per minute is flowing inside this water. Think about it, right? Use your logic, use your common sense, use your common sense. Okay, what do you think? How much water will be coming out of this pipe?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Less than 10 liters, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
less than
that
10
means
liters.
10
5
liter of
liter
water,
or 3 to
10 liter of water is right going inside this pipe from this end. How much water will be coming out from this end?
Sir, less than 10 liter.
Less than 10 liter. So what will happen to the remaining water? Pipe खा जाएगा क्या? Pipe पी जाएगा क्या?
नहीं सर, धीरे धीरे निकलेगा. सर, धीरे धीरे निकलेगा.
Again, right? धीरे
Sir,
धीरे नहीं
it will
निकलेगा.
come
nearly 3 liters.
I'm talking about the water. कितना निकलेगा? है ना? Tell me. So per minute तो 10 liter बस रखो. 10 liter.
सर,
Okay?
तो 10 ही लीटर निकलेगा सर.
ना 10 liter निकलेगा. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir. 10 liter निकलेगा सर बहुत स्पीड में.
Obviously, because पानी अब पाइप पानी को थोड़ी ना पी जाए. It's like not like अरे आज तो हमको बहुत प्यास लगा हुआ है, आज हम 2 लीटर पानी पी जाएंगे, आज हम कम देंगे.
बहुत प्रेशर से निकलेगा.
Right? है ना? Pressure ज्यादा होगा. Right? Pressure ज्यादा होगा. Obviously, right? That is again another concept, fluid mechanical concept, right? But when you talk about the amount would be the same, na? हाँ या ना? Tell me. Agree? Tell me. हाँ या ना? Right? Okay? So यहाँ से क्या समझ में आया? यहाँ समझ में आया कि sir, if it is one circuit, suppose it is one circuit, right? It is one circuit. अगर मान लो यहाँ से करंट जो है वो जा रहा है 10 एम्पियर, 10 एम्पियर, राइट? बताओ इस रेसिस्टेंस R1 के थ्रू करंट कितना होना चाहिए? बताओ R1 के क्रॉस करंट कितना होगा?
सर 8
कैसे होगा? अभी तो मैंने बताया सर्किट तो सेम ना.
सर 10 सर 10.
10 sir. How will it do?
और R2 के क्रॉस कितना होगा?
10.
10 ही होगा सर.
है ना? एग्जैक्टली.
10 ही होगा सर.
और वापस बैटरी में कितना आएगा? 10, राइट?
10.
क्लोज सर्किट है ना?
सर वो 10
Anyone ever encountered in this? Raise your hand. है ना? So I can say since this is one closed circuit, how many loop is there? Tell me, how many loop is there? कितने loop है?
2.
Loop मतलब क्या होता है? ये loop है ना? Loop, one loop, right? दो काम नहीं. Loop पता है ना? Loop, right?
सर कंटिन्यूअस एक ही चीज में बार बार आना.
हाँ, exactly. So this is one loop ना? हाँ है ना? Right? Okay, so I can say that since there's only one wire, one circuit, right? है ना? Right? One path you can say. There's one path of current to flow now. Agree? Yes or no? Right? So if there's only one path, right? The current throughout that path will be what? Same or different? Tell me. Current
Same.
throughout
Same.
different. Same. Correct. Anyone have any doubt? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt? Raise your hand. सबको समझ में आ रही है?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है.
Sir, in current also, sir, when it enters the resistance area, the pressure will be high, no, sir?
Again, that is not pressure ना. फिर वहां पे हम लोग voltage की बात करेंगे. Voltage will change. Yes or no? Right? है ना? Because obviously resistance is there, right? So यहाँ पे voltage क्या होगा? Tell me. Suppose this. I will discuss that also, right? Don't worry. I will discuss that also. First, let us try to understand concept one by one. Now, suppose, think about it. Everyone, use your common sense. Let us see how many of you can use your common sense, right? Okay, suppose you have three pipe like this. Okay, three pipe like this. Everyone. Okay, think about it, right? We have three pipe like this. Okay, everyone, use your common sense. ठीक है? यहाँ से जा रहा है 10 liter water. Suppose the water going out. Okay. Okay, what happened? Okay, so water coming in, right? Inside from this side A is 10 liters, suppose. Okay, and coming from this side, right? It is, right? Suppose 5 liter, right? Now tell me, how much amount of water will come out from this pipe? Tell me.
15 liter.
15 liter.
15 liters.
15 liter, yes or no?
15 liters.
Super easy concept है कि नहीं?
Yes.
हाँ sir.
Right?
Sir, the
So can I
pressure will
say,
increase.
yes, can I just say this thing is called a junction? ये junction हो गया,
Yes sir.
Yes,
है ना?
Sir, meeting point जैसा.
Exactly. यहाँ से पानी आया, right? और यहाँ
Means
से
system
निकला.
power- yeah.
Agree? Anyone any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now let after speaking, you just mute yourself because पता नहीं क्यों बहुत ज़्यादा noise आता है. Okay. Now let us try to, as I told you, right? I will take the analogous, right, of water and pipe, okay, and compare it with current. Now suppose I'm having three circuit, है ना? Right? And we know that any circuit cannot be without resistance, right? Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? I've studied that ना. Suppose this is A, right? यहाँ से A है, यहाँ से current जा रहा है I1, suppose, right? I1. Okay? ये अलग अलग है ना? यहाँ से current जा रहा है मान लो I2, right? तो यहाँ से current कितना निकलेगा? Suppose this is B and this is C. So what is the total amount of current which will come out of this C?
I3. I1 plus I2.
I1 plus I2.
Yes. तो कौन से सर I3 होगा वो I1 plus I2 होगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or no? हाँ या ना? Common sense है कि
Sir,
नहीं?
can you repeat once more, sir?
I said that suppose I1 current is entering this from A, है ना? Entering this junction. This is a junction, right? This is called as junction. है ना? This is junction, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Right? So I1 is entering from point A, I2 is entering from point B, right? So can I say that since I1 and I2 are entering from point C, the current will go out, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The current will leave, right? And the amount of current that will leave will be equal to what? Sum
I1
of
plus
these two
I2.
current,
Sir, I1 plus
right?
Yes.
है ना? Because obviously junction current को खाएगा नहीं ना, right? Yes or no? Clear है? Agree? Right?
Yes, sir, clear.
है ना?
Sir,
चलो,
we
okay.
should message to host or co-host.
Message to host ना, message to host.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I hope all of you understood this concept, this first concept. Yes or no? Raise your hand. है ना? Chalo, awesome, very good, very good. Okay, now let us see this. Let us see this, right? Okay, what is potential? Potential is what? Tell me, potential is what? Potential is what?
Sir, it is the work done to
R by
Work
is
done to
current.
Work done
change
to?
work done to bring a charge from one point to another.
Very good है ना? Right? Clear है? Okay.
Sir, are you
Now,
asking the formula or what is
no,
potential?
I'm just asking what is the basic definition, ठीक है? Right? Okay.
Sir, to bring the charge from one to another.
Yes. So I can say, sir, right? Whenever you talk about the circuit, है ना? So I assume that the resistance is here and here. It is just a symbolic representation, right? And I'll assume that resistance in this wire is taken as 0. समझ में आया? है ना? Right? Clear है? We will assume कि resistance एक जगह पे है, बाकी सारी जगह resistance नहीं है, because we need to calculate, right? है ना? Okay. So suppose this is resistance R1 and R1 का value कितना है? R1 का value suppose 10 ohm है. कितना ohm है? 10 ohm.
10.
And R2 का value 20 ohm है. What is R2 का value? 20 ohm है ना? 20 ohm is a unit, right?
20
है ना? This
ohm.
is ohm. And
Sir,
suppose
resistance.
yes, and the voltage of this battery, right, है ना, is 30 volt, right? So I
30
represent as E, right? Voltage, ठीक है? It is 30 volt, suppose, है ना? Potential, right? Okay? ठीक है? हाँ या ना?
The current
ठीक
is
है?
flowing.
Yes, sir.
The current is
Okay,
flowing
so
at
can you
10 no, sir.
what?
Sir, the current is flowing as 10 A no, sir.
No. अब मुझे निकालना है ना. अब मैं तो एग्जांपल दे रहा था, right? Obviously, current I have to find now, right? I don't know if it is 10 A or not, right? है ना? Now I need to find what is the current. Okay? Yes or no?
formula, sir, resistance is equals to
अभी देखो, the thing is, right? अब यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस, दो रेजिस्टेंस है,
Sir, दो
रेजिस्टेंस है.
we can add, sir.
हाँ, now यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट है, we can add, how we can add, right? अब और why we can add, right? है ना? So see, यहाँ पे जो कॉन्सेप्ट ये है, we know that what is potential to work done, yes or no, work done, है ना? Right? Now can I say, sir, ये resistance like just like an obstacle, right? Yes or no, है ना? And you need to do work to cross that obstacle. Agree? है ना? So suppose the work done to cross, right, or the potential across this resistance is V1. Okay, got it? समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Suppose the amount of work done, right, for charge to move across this resistance is, right, V1, है ना? And across this resistance R2, right? I'm just giving some random values, right? Is V2. अब बताओ, यहाँ से यहाँ ले जाने में और यहाँ से फिर यहाँ ले जाने में या यहाँ ले जाने में, क्योंकि ये पूरा रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस करेगा ना, ये सबको, तो इस सब में रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? 0 है ना? राइट? नाउ टेल मी one thing, everyone, tell me one thing. Can I say, sir, suppose this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C, right? Okay. Now, as I told you that there's no resistance between these points unless until it is shown there's no resistance. ठीक है? So if there's no resistance, अगर resistance ही नहीं है, tell me, अगर resistance ही नहीं है, तो work done होगा क्या? Suppose मान लो resistance ही नहीं है, तुमको धक्का देने में मेहनत लगेगी?
नहीं, sir.
No ना, right? So I can say कि जो पोटेंशियल यहाँ पे होगा, जो पोटेंशियल इस पॉइंट पे होगा, वही पोटेंशियल इस पॉइंट पे होगा, वही पोटेंशियल इस पॉइंट पे होगा, बिकॉज रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है ना? So resistance is between these 2 points, A and B. Resistance is between A and B. So if resistance is between A and B, can I say that the work done will be between A and B? Right? Okay?
Sir,
And the
what
potential across
can
A
say?
and B, I just said that since resistance is between A and B, I can say the potential between A and B, suppose it is V1. We don't know what is potential, we'll calculate, right? And from B, between B and C, potential is V2, right? V1, V2 is variable, so can I say, sir, ये वर्क डन प्लस ये वर्क डन दोनों को अगर हम ऐड करें तो मुझे कितना मिलना चाहिए? टेल मी इफ वी ऐड
R2. R2.
नो वी पोटेंशियल ऐड कर रहा ना, टोटल वर्क डन कितना होना चाहिए? टोटल वर्क डन, अरे वर्क डन करंट अलग है, 30 ना, 30 वी राइट, 30 यस और नो, ये समझ में आ रहा है?
नहीं
करंट इज वाटर राइट, बट पोटेंशियल इज ड्राइविंग फोर्स, है ना? पोटेंशियल समझ लो हाइट है, वो समझ में आया? ओके, यस और नो? ना थिंक अबाउट इट, एक अगर उसको समझना है समझो। मान लीजिए ग्राउंड फ्लोर है, एवरीवन मान लीजिए ग्राउंड फ्लोर है ना, राइट? सो अगर तुम फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे लेके जाते हो, सपोज यू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम वन फ्लोर टू ग्राउंड फ्लोर टू फर्स्ट फ्लोर, राइट? ओके, और कुछ पोटेंशियल होता है, सपोज पोटेंशियल इज V1, ओके, एंड देन फर्स्ट फ्लोर से तुम सेकंड फ्लोर तक लेके जाते हो, राइट, है ना? फर्स्ट फ्लोर से सेकंड फ्लोर तक लेके जाते हो तो यहाँ से पोटेंशियल हो गया क्या? V2। सो व्हाट इज द टोटल पोटेंशियल? टेल मी, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ले जाने में कितना पोटेंशियल होगा?
V3.
V1 plus V2.
P1 plus P2.
अब समझ में आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? यस और नो, राइट? ना
Equal to 30 क्यों है सर? Equal to 30 क्यों?
बैटरी कितना प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? बैटरी का पोटेंशियल कितना है?
30 वोल्टेज
30 voltage.
V1 और V2 से पास होते जा रहा है।
हाँ, तो ऑब्वियसली जितना बैटरी प्रोवाइड करेगा, राइट, है ना, उतना ही होना चाहिए ना? यस और नो, राइट? क्लियर है? एग्री? समझ में आया? ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? राइट? अब देखो, अब यहाँ पे ओम्स लॉ यूज करो। अब हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, राइट? अब यहाँ पे स्टामा के लिए सर वी सेड V1 plus V2 is equal to what? 30, है ना? और what is Ohm's law? Tell me, what is Ohm's law?
Resistance is equals to voltage by charge.
राइट, करेक्ट, है ना? अब मुझे पता है कि अगर ये वायर एक ही वायर है तो जो करंट रहेगा वो I रहेगा, I यहाँ भी I और इसमें भी I और इसमें भी I। यस और नो?
सेम रहेगा हर जगह पे।
एग्री? यस और नो? टेल हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
सो अब बताओ नाउ सपोज दिस R1, इसके अक्रॉस व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? अक्रॉस R1 व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस?
Sir, 30.
पोटेंशियल कितना है R1 के?
30
V R1 के अक्रॉस, सिर्फ R1 के अक्रॉस
P1.
V1, वेरी गुड। करंट कितना है?
Sir, R1.
R1.
राइट, रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? R1।
R1
Can I say sir V1 is equal to what? I into R1, हाँ या ना? Raise your hand using Ohm's law. Can I say that?
सर I क्या है?
I current है ना, I current है पूरे सर्किट में। So using Ohm's law, can I say that? Can I say that? Raise your hand, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? And what about this circuit? इसमें बताओ V2 कितना होना चाहिए? बताओ what is V2 then? V2 is equal to what? Everyone. Tanushree?
Sir, I into R2.
I into R2.
Very good. I into R2. Using which law? Ohm's law. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No sir.
No, sir. No.
If anyone have any doubt, ask now. है ना? Because ये बहुत important concept है. Right? समझ में सबको आ रहा है? जिया, आकर्ष, अनन्या,
Sir, we are
सिंचना?
finding resistance, no, sir.
What?
Sir, are we finding resistance, no, sir?
Yes, right? We are not finding one resistance, right? Because resistance value is given 10 and 20. ठीक है? My question is, we are finding what? मुझे क्या नहीं पता है बताओ?
Current.
Current नहीं पता है, तो I am finding what?
Current sir.
No.
सर जो हमको
Yes or
नहीं
no?
पता रहता उसको पता करना।
Exactly. So what is V1?
Yes,
तो
sir.
कहाँ पे लीजिए equation दिया है? तो यहाँ पे लीजिए क्या हो गया? What is V1? I into R1. What is V2? I into
I into R2.
और ये कितना है? 30 हो गया। अब बताओ R1 का वैल्यू पता है?
10 sir.
10 और R2 वैल्यू पता है?
20.
R2
20 ohm.
ठीक है, वो दिया हुआ है. ओके, राइट बिंदु, तनुश्री, है ना? सो I can say, sir, it is 10 into I plus it is 20 into I
20 ohm into I.
is equal to 30. हाँ, तो यूनिट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, यूनिट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
आई तो 1 लग रहा है सर.
अरे आई
Sir, वही
मेरी
लग रहा
हैंडराइटिंग
है.
ऐसी है ना,
Sir,
बिंदु देखो ना,
I.
बिंदु. Right? Okay. Now it is linear equation in one variable, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
10 apple plus 20 apple. How many apple?
30 sir.
30 apple.
30 apples.
Very good. 30 apple is equal to 30. So what is the value of one apple?
Sir, 1 sir.
1 sir.
Sir, 1 का 1 ही है.
1, sir.
1. और unit of current का क्या है? What is the unit of current?
Sir, Coulomb.
Ampere.
Here. Coulomb तो charge का unit है ना? Right?
Yes, sir.
Note it
Sir,
down.
मैं
Note it down.
LM बोल दिया.
नहीं, note it down. Everyone note it down. Right? सबको note करो.
सर आपने थर्ड स्टेप में सर 30I इज इक्वल टू 30 वो उधर से समझ में नहीं आया सर.
क्रॉस मत करिए ना, अगर तुमको बोला जाए व्हाट इज 30x इज इक्वल टू 30, व्हाट इज x?
और x इज इक्वल टू 30/30.
Sir, can you show the figure once more?
राइट, सो I is a variable ना, I तो मुझे चाहिए ना, I is variable, yes or no?
Okay, sir. So can you show that problem again, sir? Sir, can you show that problem?
This is the problem. I'm showing this problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my voice is coming.
Yeah, now it's coming. All of you got this, yes or no, right? Should we move forward?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, one
Right?
concept check, sir. Sir, two concept checks.
Right. So Tanushree, you understood? I is a variable ना, मुझे current नहीं पता ना, मुझे current ही चाहिए. So I is a variable. Okay, Tanushree, got this? है ना? Because see here there is no one resistance, there are two resistance. Okay, so let us see one more concept check. Everyone, just see one concept check.
Yes sir.
Okay, now concept is this. Okay, now I'm giving three circuits, right? Three resistors.
Can we have to...
Wait, right? And this is, suppose this is 5 ohm, this is 15 ohm.
Sir, screen got hanged, sir.
Screen not, no, screen didn't get hanged, right?
It's visible sir.
And now it's visible, sir.
Right, 15, 5, and then it is again 5 ohm. Okay, and the potential is 50 volt. Find current. Find current. I. Everyone, step by step. Step by
Sir,
step.
I got it sir.
Message. Do not speak message. Okay. Okay, very good, Akash. Think, सोचो एक बार, है ना? Step by step, right? Take baby steps. Try to start from the scratch of the concept. Very good, Tanushree. Correct. Very good, Tanushree. I will tell you a shortcut also after this. After this concept check, I will tell you a shortcut. ठीक है? No, Aditya, small mistake, Aditya. Very good, Nabil. Very good, Akash. Akash, I told you ना तुम्हारा आंसर सही है. Nabil correct, है ना? So I guess very good, Anya, correct.
सर मेरा ही गलत हो गया सर.
सर आप फेस पी रहे हो या फिर फेस के बॉटल में पानी?
बिंदु correct. नहीं पानी पी रहा हूँ. तनुश्री, वो तो पहले सही आंसर है ना? Okay, that is Tanushree 1. Okay.
सर
Tanushree 2.
सर मैंने
Check.
गलती कहाँ पर किया सर?
Question. मैं बता रहा हूँ गलती क्या है. अब बताओ. Step by step. Can I say, sir,
सर
potential?
क्या क्या आंसर दिया सर?
Wait. Potential between this, suppose this is V1. Potential between this is V2. And यहाँ पे तीसरा भी है. V3. So
V3.
can I say, sir, plus V2 plus V3 is equal to what? Tell me, Tanushree. Plus V2 plus
V5.
right? 50.
Sir,
50 sir.
Correct. And what is V1? What is V1? I into
I into R1.
I into 5.
I into 5I.
correct 5I plus. What is V2?
59.
I into 15. I into 50.
Correct.
50.
Plus and V2.
Sir,
What is
5I
V2?
again.
50.
5I again.
Equals to 50 sir.
Okay. Got it, Tanushree? Got this? Right? You understood your
Sir,
mistake?
25I equals to 50.
ये 5 दिया हुआ है ना विहान. 5
हाँ,
5
sir,
15
भैया.
5 जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 6 का 6 दिख रहा है क्या? सिंचना करेक्ट सिंचना. विहान got it विहान? Right? Okay. So what is 5 15?
Sir, 25I
Right, sir.
Correct. Right. 25I.
equals to 50.
What?
50 sir.
50.
Sir, I equals to 50 by 25.
Yes, sir. This is 2 ampere. Is equal to
2 ampere.
25 to 2 ampere.
50
Yes,
by
got it.
25.
Got this? Raise your hand.
25 को ऊपर ले लिया, 50 को नीचे ले लिया. सर मैंने 25 को ऊपर ले लिया, 50 को नीचे ले लिया. उसके लिए मुझे 1/2 आया.
See, 5 plus 15 plus 5 कितना हो गया? बताओ.
25 sir.
25 sir.
Got it? Because ये like terms है ना, right? 5i plus 15i plus 5i. Linear equation जो solve करना है, like 5x plus 15x plus 5x कितना हो जाएगा? 25x, right? So I is also variable. No, 50 ये है ना, 50 तो ये potential है ना, है कि नहीं? Right?
Got it sir. One more concept check.
Got it?
Yes sir. Yes, we are ready sir.
Awesome. Chalo, very good. So let us solve one more concept check, right? है ना? Okay.
Sir.
So one more concept check.
Kahoot.
Wait, we will play
Sir,
Kahoot,
we
but
will-
आज बहुत wait, आज काफी concept solve करना है. Now let us see how many of you can solve this. Okay, how many of you can solve this?
सर इसमें भी करंट फाइंड करना.
Wait.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा.
So suppose this current is 2 ampere. Current is 2 ampere. This is 10 ohm and this is 20 ohm. 10 ohm, 20 ohm. What is potential? What is potential? Find potential.
Sir, what is volt? No sir, then sir we should use same formula sir then.
Ah, total. Find total potential.
Sir,
Okay.
is my correct?
Wait. Let me check. Yes, Akash, correct. Same concept.
सर बस उल्टा करना.
Sir, is my correct sir?
10 ohm. Behind this resistance now, so 10 ohm. जगह नहीं है इसमें लिखा नहीं. Very good, Tanushree. Tanushree 1, correct.
Sir, is my correct?
Aditya, what is A? That ये 2 ampere is एम्पियर तो यूनिट है ना, वैल्यू से
सर
करेंगे
सॉरी
ना।
सर सॉरी सर एम्पियर लिख दिया सर, सॉरी सर बाय मिस्टेकली एम्पियर लिख दिया।
नो बिंदु, बिंदु फिर से एक बार ट्राई करो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ट्राई करो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, है ना, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट। कैन आई से
सर
v1 plus v2 is equal to v, है ना? व्हाट इज v1? टेल मी, v1 का वैल्यू कितना है?
2a
2a.
निश्री, v1, v1 करंट है ना 2, v1 is what? I into r1, right?
हाँ सर, करंट इनटू
Is
r1
what? Into r2 is equal to v. What is current? करंट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, ओके? तनुश्री, करंट वैल्यू क्या है बताओ?
2a
2
2 एम्पियर
2 value is 2, ampere is a unit, right? Value is 2, okay? Tanushree, है ना? Right, ampere is the unit, the value is 2, so we write only 2 into what is the value of r1? Value resistance
10 ohm
10,
10.
very good, plus, and here it is what? यहाँ भी current कितना होगा? Same,
2a
right?
2
2 एम्पियर
2 into r2 का value कितना है?
20 70 ohm
And this is equal to v, potential, हम लोग को जो चाहिए है ना, ये v. Now tell me, can you calculate it now? अब निकल
20
गया
plus
ये?
40 sir 20 plus 40
Yes.
is equal to 60
Plus
then
40.
it will be
60.
40 plus 2 which will be
सर मुझे
60
सही
is
आया
equal
सर,
to v
सर मुझे सही आया सर 60।
है ना, वेरी गुड। सो 60 वोल्ट, राइट? ये जो v है ना, दिस इज द राइट, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, दिस v इज अ वेरिएबल एंड यहाँ पे वोल्ट, वोल्ट इज अ यूनिट, ओके? राइट? यस नबील, नबील योर वॉइस इज लो टुडे।
Sir, now?
यस नाउ इट इज फाइन।
Yes, sir. Sir, instead of this method, sir, I just use the formula, sir. Resistance is equals to voltage by current, sir.
Again, right? But here there are two resistance na.
So just I added it, sir, orally.
That is the shortcut, right? I will teach you the shortcut now, है ना? Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is the shortcut, right? So this, everyone understood this concept, yes or no? Okay. Okay. Now I can say, okay, sir, here we have two resistance or three resistance, but all of them are in one single circuit, है ना? Right? So this kind of circuit is called as series circuit. Series circuit. Okay, right? So in series circuit, current through all the resistance, should be same. Should be same, है ना? Is called as series circuit. For example, I'm telling you again this, है ना? So suppose this is a battery and we have three resistance. Okay, so this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Can I say that these three are in series circuit? Yes or no? Tell me.
yes sir
Can I say that these three in series circuit? Yes, because current
Sir.
through all the three will be same. है ना? So if right now think about it. Right? Since all of them are in series, what I want to do is now I want to replace these three resistance and use only one resistance which is same, which will be equal to all the three resistance. Okay, right? So instead of using three resistance, I want only one resistance whose value will be same as all the three resistance. Okay,
sir
so
then
this is called
should
as R.
add all the three resistors.
Yes, R equivalent, right? R equivalent, R equivalent, or you can just say any REQ, right? Just any random variable name I have given, right? REQ, equivalent. This is V, same, है ना? Now, what I'm trying to say is, sir, out of, right, you writing these three, instead of writing these three, I'm just writing one. So we have to find the value of this na in terms of R1, R2, and R3. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
But am I changing the circuit? Tell me, am I changing this?
No,
Am I changing the circuit?
no sir
No, right? What I'm trying to do is right? Instead of writing 3, I'm just having one resistance. So
Sir,
current, what is the current?
that you are making.
Yes, यहाँ पे current क्या होगा? I.
Sir, in a type you can say you are using resistance at one place.
Okay, yes, है ना? Instead of writing 3 places, we are just having at one place. So if you write equation of potential here, I can say V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V, right? है ना? And this is what? I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3 is equal to V. Agree? Anyone have any doubt in this?
Sir, we know R1 and I both.
Yes. Or if you use Ohm's law in this circuit, if you use Ohm's law in this circuit,
Sir,
in
it
this
will
circuit,
not come, sir. There is no value of resistance, nor of voltage, nor of current.
R equivalent is the value that we have to find. R equivalent is the value that we have to find. Okay. So in this, can I say so? V is equal to what? I into R equivalent. Using Ohm's law over here. Yes or no? Raise your hand. समझो. ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Everyone is getting this. Very good, Bindu. Vihan. Kartikeya. Very good.
Sir, if
So
we want R1, no, sir, we should add R1, R2, and R3, no, sir.
exactly right. That is no. That is we are proving it. We are proving it, right? है ना? है ना? So it is I into R equivalent. Now, can I say, sir, I यहाँ भी है. Using distributive property, I will just take I common.
Yes,
And
sir.
I will say I1 plus R2
R1, R2 plus R3.
is equal to I into R equivalent. Now I will get cancelled. Yes or no? I और I divide हो जाएगा एक दूसरे से, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say, sir, R equivalent?
R2 plus R3.
Yes. So this is the
R1
short.
plus R2 plus R3.
Yes. But can we use this formula
Sir,
like all the circuits? No, right?
yes, sir.
This is only used in only for series,
Series.
Sir, I'm so serious.
right? What is the condition for series? What is the condition for series?
Sir, the
Same
current
Should be
the
same
resistance should be
throughout
same.
throughout all resistance.
Okay, very
Sir, I
good.
want
So
to
this
ask something, sir.
yes,
Sir,
this
in this
concept
problem, sir, what are we finding?
R equivalent, na? R equivalent, right? है ना?
Sir, we
I'm
already
trying
know, sir, we already know, sir, R equivalent is R1, R2, R3.
again कैसे पता? Right? कैसे पता?
आपने लिखा
R1 plus
हुआ है
R2 है.
सर आपने V1 V2 plus V3 is equal to V लिखा है फिर सेकंड स्टेप में ही आपने लिखा है सर
हाँ तो I कटेगा ना, right? That is how we prove it. ठीक है? Now you will get to know why, right? Okay. Okay. Now let us see this circuit. Everyone, let us see this circuit. जवाब मिल जाएगा तुमको यहाँ.
सर व्हाइट बोर्ड एंड योर वीडियो स्टक सर
Yes, sir.
यस सर सब कुछ तक हो गया आवाज वीडियो स्क्रीन सब सर
Now,
नहीं stuck नहीं हुआ.
है ना? ये है ना?
ये
Now एक चीज बताओ, right? Now tell me, is this circuit same as the above circuit? Tell me.
नो सर
नो
अब बताओ. Can I write the same over here? यहाँ पे suppose this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Can I write R is equal to R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 here? अब बताओ.
नो सर
No, sir.
नो
right?
सर
ये तो common sense है, वो तो वो नहीं होगा. Now think about it, right? Everyone think about it. Don't you think, sir, ये तो ऐसा ही होगा ना? यहाँ से suppose the voltage is V and the current is I. My question is, क्या तीनों में current same रहेगा? Tell me.
यस सर
How come, right? एक पाइप है, एक पाइप में पानी जा रहा है, जंक्शन है, यहाँ से 3 अलग पाइप हो गया, Everyone think about it.
नहीं
Suppose
सर, स्प्लिट हो जाएगा वो।
है ना, obviously current अलग अलग हो जाएगा ना. Suppose this is
हाँ
suppose
सर,
this,
बराबर नहीं जाएगा सर।
yes, depending on resistance, the value will be something else. So I can say suppose total current is I. Everyone think about it. Suppose ये current कितना I. So can I say sir, suppose ये current I1 हो गया, ये I2 हो गया, ये I3 हो गया, right? So what can I say? अभी मैंने पढ़ाया, ये same चीज मैंने पढ़ाया ना.
I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equals to I.
Correct. So can I say sir I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I? हाँ या ना?
सर
Right? तो देखो यहाँ पे ये जो सीरीज उसमें सेम क्या था? What was same? Tell me. When the circuit resistance was in series, which quantity was same?
Current.
The current.
And what
Current
is,
was
which
everywhere same sir.
yes, and which quantity we were adding?
Sir, वो
Voltage.
even
Exactly. Now here, right? बताओ यहाँ से यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ. Don't you think, sir, potential तो same रहेगा ना, sir? जो V है इसके across, हाँ या ना? Right? And yes or no? It is just like this, ना? Sir, ground floor से first floor, right? के बीच में तीन different pipe है. It is like this. Okay? है ना? So doesn't matter, right? है ना? पाइप में पानी का फोर्स ज्यादा हो सकता है, कम हो सकता है, बट पोटेंशियल तो सेम रहेगा ना, ग्राउंड फ्लोर से फर्स्ट फ्लोर तक. Okay, so can I say, sir, here what is the potential across R1? V only. And what is the current? I'm saying current is I1. यहाँ पे करंट कितना हो गया? I2. यहाँ करंट कितना हो गया? I3. Anyone have any doubt? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt? Raise your hand. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting this? Raise your hand.
Yeah, you are trying to say that, sir, from one voltage of battery, sir, the current is being splitted in three parts, in R1,
Yeah.
R2, and R3.
Exactly. है ना? So source is one only, but current is splitted, right? Here current is divided into three parts. है ना? It is like this. That okay? So if you use Ohm's law over here, what is I1? Tell me, I1 का value कितना हो जाएगा? Tell me.
Sir,
What is the potential across this point? What do you do? What is potential? इसके बीच का पोटेंशियल कितना होगा? सेम मैंने बोला ना, V by रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? R1. Yes or no?
Sir, R1, I1.
सर कैसे सर आप वापस बोल सकते हो सर?
फॉर्मूला क्या है ओम्स लॉ का? ओम्स लॉ का फॉर्मूला क्या है? V is equal to IR ना,
हाँ
right?
सर.
हाँ सर.
सर I फाइंड आउट करना है तो I को सर लेके.
हाँ sir.
Exactly, right? What is I2? Tell me, what is I2 now? I2 कितना हो जाएगा?
V by R2.
V by R2.
V by R2. Very good. What is I3?
V by R3. V by R3.
V by R3.
है ना? Now
Sir,
suppose
what is V? What is R, sir? Value?
हाँ, अगेन वैल्यू दिया रहेगा ना, अभी तो वैल्यू नहीं है ना. वी आर ड्राइविंग द फॉर्मूला ना, राइट? हाँ या ना? वी आर ड्राइविंग द फॉर्मूला, वैल्यू तो क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा, राइट? ओके
Okay, sir.
Yes.
ओके. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग. अब बताओ क्या करना चाहिए? टेल मी क्या करना चाहिए? मुझे ये भी पता है ना, ये पता है कि
Sir, we should add V1 plus V2 plus V3, which will I1 plus I2 plus I3.
ना, है ना? We will just add them, right? So can I say, so V by R1 plus V by R2 plus
V by R3.
V by
By R3.
is equal to what? I agree.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to find what? अभी मैंने जैसे बोला,
Sir, I.
जैसे मैंने ऊपर
You
में
should
किया था,
find-
मैंने सारे रेजिस्टेंस को हटाकर एक रेजिस्टेंस लगा दिया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Then now it will be R1.
Wait. So instead of that, can I say that sir, इन तीनों को हटाकर अब मैं बस एक रेजिस्टेंस लगा दूं, एक रेजिस्टेंस सबको हटा के एक रेजिस्टेंस लगा दूं.
Sir, then Req
Okay.
is equal to R1
And I
plus
say this
R2.
as R equivalent, right? Same, एक resistance. Current तो same रहेगा ना?
हाँ sir.
No, that is the हाँ. अब बताओ क्या तुम बोलते हो R equivalent is equal to no? In this case, I will be equal to what? I will be equal to what? V by R equivalent. Yes or no? I will
By
become
R1.
Yes or no? Using Ohm's law. Take a time. Sanjana, Tanushree, Jia, Vihan, Kartik.
In the second step, it will be, sir,
Yes,
in the
sir.
second step, it will be V by Req is equal to 1.
One कहाँ से?
Sorry, sir, I, sir.
है ना? तो कहाँ से?
Sir, मैंने
I
I
को
को 1
V को कॉमन ले लेंगे. हाँ, V को कॉमन ले लेंगे क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by R1 plus 1 by
R2
plus
सभी
1 by R3
very good is equal to V by.
plus 1 by R3.
अब बताओ, can we cut what VV?
Req.
VV यहाँ पे कट जाएगा because
V और
दोनों
V
साइड है ना,
कट जाएगा सर.
हाँ sir.
right? है ना?
Then
तो क्या हो गया?
Req is equal
1
नहीं 1 by
1
REQ.
by R.
Yes or no? है ना?
1
तो 1 by
by
REQ क्या है? Yes. So 1 by R1
is equal
plus
to Req. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.
yes. समझ में आई सबको? अब यहाँ पे हम लोग पॉज लेंगे थोड़ा सा और ट्राई करेंगे समझने का. विहान, yes विहान, I will send the recording. विहान, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है विहान तुमको?
Yes sir.
हाँ सर.
Okay, very good. जिया, कार्तिकेया, संध्या, Tanushree, everyone, take your time. Right? If you understand these concepts, na, right, I will be proud. नवीन समझ में आ रहा है? Okay? अब बताओ. So, सर इसको बोलते हैं क्या सीरीज? तो इसका भी कुछ नाम होना चाहिए ना? इसका भी कुछ नाम होना चाहिए.
हाँ सर, नाम होना चाहिए.
इसको
नहीं तो
बोलते हैं
बुलाएंगे क्या सर?
पैरेलल सर्किट.
सर पैरेलल क्यों सर?
ऐसे ही नाम दे दिया गया. रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल रहने से पैरेलल नाम दे दिया गया.
तो पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज करते थे सर.
पता नहीं नाम दे दिया ऐसे. अच्छा, अब आते हैं यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है. अब एक चीज बताओ, थोड़ा सा सोचो एक बार. राइट? रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? रेजिस्टेंस बेसिकली डिवाइसेस. यस और नो? हाँ या ना? बल्ब, फैन, लैपटॉप, राइट, व्हाटएवर यू टेक, है ना? नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. तुम्हारे घर में जो कनेक्शन होगा, हमारे घर में कनेक्शन होगा, राइट, जानने क्या होना चाहिए? सीरीज होना चाहिए, पैरेलल होना चाहिए?
क्या सर?
सर
सोचो
पैरेलल
एक बार.
सर पैरेलल.
पैरेलल.
हमारे घर में जो डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए, राइट, जैसे लैपटॉप हो गया, फोन हो गया, सही, ट्यूबलाइट हो गया, फैन हो गया, एसी हो गया, फ्रिज हो गया.
सर वायर के थ्रू के ब्लूटूथ सर?
नो वायर कनेक्शन है ना भाई, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन. ठीक है?
सर पैरेलल होगा सर. पैरेलल होगा सर.
पैरेलल ही होगा सर.
क्यों बताओ?
सर क्योंकि
सर एक
करंट
जगह
एक जगह से आके स्प्लिट होता है सर.
स्प्लिट होता है सर. एक जगह से जगह पे स्प्लिट होता है सर.
सर जिससे वो एक जो है, जो पावर है वो 3 से डिवाइड
एक जगह से वो करंट से 3-4 जितना भी जगह में बटना होता है सर बट जाता है.
अगर हमें एक जगह का पता
हाँ,
करना है सर, तो टोटल जो करंट आ रहा है उसको 3 से डिवाइड करके एक का पता लगा सकते हैं.
तो वो तो तुम वायर देख के बोल रहे हो ना, बट कंसेप्चुअली सोचो. मान लो कि घर में तुम्हारे, राइट, बल्ब फ्यूज हो गया. मान लो बल्ब फ्यूज हो गया, राइट, है ना?
हाँ सर, हो गया सर.
मतलब कुछ हो गया तो वो तो ओपन सर्किट हो गया ना? हाँ कि नहीं बताओ?
हाँ
हाँ
सर.
सर. फिलामेंट टूट गया तो ओपन सर्किट हो गया.
राइट, ओपन सर्किट हो गया. अब खुद सोचो, मान लो तुम्हारा सीरीज में रहेगा और ये ओपन सर्किट हो गया, मतलब यहाँ पे स्विच ऑन हो गया, क्या करंट आगे जाएगा?
नहीं सर.
नहीं सर.
खुद सोचो
सर वो उधर तक जाएगा और पता नहीं क्या होगा.
अगर मान लो हमारे, है ना, तो अगर मान लो बल्ब उड़ गया ना, तो फिर फैन बंद हो जाएगा, सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. यस और नो? राइट, बिकॉज सर्किट टूट जाएगा. राइट, बट अगर बताओ
Sir,
यहाँ
in
मान लो sequence खराब, मान लो बल्ब फ्यूज भी हो गया, तो मेरे को फैन और एसी और टीवी में कोई डिफरेंस होगा क्या? नहीं, राइट?
sir, because current is fused in only one path. The rest both paths are going on.
Yes.
Sir, in
Okay, so
earlier
I can
times,
say
one wire was connected with all notions. So, if one bulb was fused, then other two devices will also be not stop working.
yes, right? So I can say that in our home, right? In our home, right? Appliances are connected in series or parallel.
Parallel.
Connected in parallel. Very good. In parallel. Now, there's a device which used, right, which used to measure current and voltage, है ना? So I hope all of you remember the device which is used to measure current is called as, tell me, device which is used to measure current is called as meter. Yes. So ammeter measure current, total current, yes or no? अब तो अगर इसको टोटल करंट मेजर करना होगा, कॉमन सेंस यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, कॉमन सेंस यूज कर रहे हैं, तो मान लो टोटल करंट यूज करना होगा, तो क्या सीरीज में लगेगा कि पैरेलल में लगेगा सर्किट के? Tell me. If ammeter, right, we need ammeter to calculate, measure total current. So अगर टोटल करंट मेजर करना है, तो बताओ ये सर्किट हमारा है ना, तो यू जस्ट टेल मी, कॉमन सेंस बताएं, यहाँ पे एमीटर लगेगा कि यहाँ एमीटर लगेगा?
सर वो जो पहला
सर, वो
सर्कल
जहाँ पर आपने
पहला सर्कल बनाया है सर वहाँ पे।
बनाया सर वहाँ पे
फर्स्ट वन
लगेगा।
फर्स्ट वन फर्स्ट वन फर्स्ट वन फर्स्ट वन
अरे रुको
First one. Okay. So first one. Now tell me, this first one is series with this circuit or parallel with this circuit?
series with the circuit.
सर series with the circuit.
I can say ammeter measures current and is connected in series.
Yes, sir. Sir, first one, appliances are connected in parallel, no, sir?
Parallel circuit, right? Series with other circuit, other appliances, other devices. Okay, what about voltage? Voltage is measured by voltmeter.
Voltmeter.
नाम ही है
Right? Voltmeter measures
स्पीड
voltage.
मेजर करना, स्पीड मीटर, स्पीडोमीटर ऐसे।
Yes. अब बताओ ये जो वोल्टेज है ये किसमें कनेक्ट होगा? सीरीज में कि पैरेलल में? मान लो यहाँ पे
पैरेलल में
R1 के
सर।
क्रॉस वोल्टेज चाहिए, तो
पैरेलल
करेक्ट है ना? वोल्टेज इज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल एंड इज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल to the resistance, right? Right, जिसके क्रॉस हमको पोटेंशियल चाहिए, एग्री? बताओ, अब यहाँ पे मुझे V1 R1 के क्रॉस पोटेंशियल चाहिए, तो मैं यहाँ पे लगाऊंगा ना इसके पैरेलल में वोल्टमीटर, यस और नो? हाँ या ना? ओके, R2 के क्रॉस चाहिए तो R2 के क्रॉस लगा दूंगा, एग्री? टेल मी, यस और नो?
यस सर।
ओके, सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया पूरा। अब देखो एक लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट चेक, फिर काहुट। लेट अस सी कॉन्सेप्ट चेक। ओके, राइट? सो सपोज ये रेजिस्टेंस है 2 ohm. Okay, also yes.
Okay, sir. 2 ohm.
और यहाँ पे मेरे पास बैटरी जो है, बैटरी का पोटेंशियल है मेरा कितना, राइट? सपोज इट इज 6 volt. Find
Current.
Find I total and I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I3. Everyone do that. जल्दी जल्दी.
Sir, am I right, sir?
Okay,
Sir, am I correct, sir?
wrong. Right, Akash, your answer is wrong. Right, all I know that
I के बाद क्या है?
I1, I2, I3 is correct, right? I1, I2, I3 is correct. What is I total? No, here खुद सोचो I total जो होगा वो I1, I2 से ज्यादा हो या कम होगा, बताओ स्टेप बाय स्टेप।
ज्यादा होगा सर।
तो होगा ना, बिकॉज ऐड होके हो रहा है, राइट? वेरी गुड, करेक्ट।
sir.
So first of all,
Sir,
Sir,
correct,
first we
sir.
should find the individual value of I3, I2 and I1 and then we can add sir.
yes,
Okay.
right?
Sir, now am I correct, sir?
What is I1? I1 का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? V by R1.
Yes, sir.
What is
V
V?
by R1. Sir, so
Sir, 6.
What is V?
Sir,
2.
R2 is
So 3 ampere.
2, 1,
Yes.
3.
Okay, very good. What is I2? Same हो गया ना I2 भी, because ये भी 2 दिया
Same
हुआ है.
3 ampere plus 3 ampere plus 3 ampere. It will be 9 ampere.
Yes, I3 is also 3 ampere. So I total is
9 ampere.
I1 plus
9 ampere. 9 ampere. 9 ampere.
awesome. ये सबको समझ में आ गया,
Yes.
right? Okay, चलो. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, no doubt. Awesome. Let us see how many of you make mistake in this.
देखते हैं सर, मैं बोला तो मुझे डर लग रहा है।
Sir, screen stuck हो गया sir.
हाँ
Stuck हो
सर,
गया क्या?
स्क्रीन स्टक हो गया।
सर मैं
तीन
अभी
लोग
भी गोल गोल चक्कर चल रहा है। मेरी मम्मी क्यों बोलती है सर?
How come? How come, guys? अभी मैंने बताया कि रेसिस्टेंस क्या होता है किसी भी कंडक्टर के लिए? Constant. Yes or no?
सर एक फिक्स्ड होता है सर, फिक्स्ड।
Yes or
सर
no?
मैंने दबाया सर, टाइम्स अप आ गया। सर मैं तो
Okay.
एकदम स्टार्टिंग में दबाया सर,
तो
फॉल्स ही
net
दबाया।
है ना?
काउंट बहुत
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, ध्यान देना।
सर मुझे भी सेम
सर बिकॉज़ इसका नेट नहीं था।
चुप, राइट? अब ध्यान दो, तो रेसिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? बताओ, V इज इक्वल टू IR, सो R इज इक्वल टू V by I।
V by
अगर
I।
करंट बढ़े तो रेसिस्टेंस नहीं बढ़ेगा, वोल्टेज क्या होगा? बढ़ जाएगा, राइट?
बढ़ जाएगा,
रेसिस्टेंस
वोल्टेज बढ़ जाएगा, रेजिस्टेंस वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा।
एग्जैक्टली,
सर
गॉट दिस
आपने कल
कॉन्सेप्ट?
बोला था रेजिस्टेंस इज कांस्टेंट, इफ